Hi everybody, so today we're going to take a look at the Philips Air Purifier Series 800. This series is the smaller of the range and is suitable for rooms up to 49 square meters. It filters 99.5% particles as small as 0.03 microns. That's really tiny. It also removes up to 99% of viruses and aerosols from the air, and according to Philips, this includes the coronavirus. So in less than 16 minutes, it's able to clean the air in an area of about 20 square meters. So let's take a look at this. Let's unbox this and let's take it from there. Okay, so let's open the box up. And ta-da! This, by the way, is in the new pink color that's been released, I think, about 2 weeks back. So first thing you got to do is turn it upside down like so, and then you twist it anti-clockwise. Yeah. Take out the filter because it's in a little plastic bag, and then you put it back in again. All you have to be sure is that the Philips name is on top when you do that. Place it back in, let it sit, realign the cover, twist it to the right clockwise, snap it in, and you place it on your stand. So let me bring you a bit closer so you can see the back. Right, so that's the on-off switch, and that's where you would plug in your electricity. Up on top here, this is where the sensor is. And from here, you've just got to press this, open it, and then clean it according to the instructions every so often. All right. So let's plug it in. I've already got my little plug ready. Okay folks, so the first thing that you do is, of course, switch on your plug, and you go to the back of the machine where you got the little switch that on, and you see the colors begin to change. So blue is the best. That means there's no pollution or anything around. The extreme is red, and in between you have shades of pink and purple. So if, for example, you have some smoke coming in, let me just give you an example of that. Yeah. You see what happens? Within seconds, that turns red and the fan speeds up. So it will continue doing that until it turns blue. So that's going to take a while, yeah? So anyway, that's the short and sharp review of this Philips 800 series. It's available in Singapore for just under $200. Great value. It's not too big. It's basically something like 30 odd centimeters high, and maybe, what's that, maybe 10-12 cm across. So that will fit into most rooms, fit into most spaces. Great value buy, this one. So thanks for watching, people. Have a good day.